All right, so here are the directions for either Tuesday, September 8th or Wednesday, September 9th. The first thing you're going to do is watch this video on YouTube about the ruins of Machu Picchu. If you'll click the link, it will take you to YouTube.
January 2017.
Right, and you will
The stone city of
watch
Machu
this
Picchu
video about Machu Picchu, okay? After watching the video about Machu Picchu, then you're going to respond to the following question on Padlet. So the question is, what did you learn about the people that lived in Machu Picchu 600 years ago? So you'll click here, and it will take you to a selection of classes. So depending on your class, you will pick your class, and then remember to get onto Padlet. You're going to need to log in with Google, right? So sign in with Google. So you'll up here, you'll click sign in with Google, and enter your SLUST email and password. So then I can see your posts up here. All right, so to post, remember you just click plus, it'll add it, and you can post, answering the question, which is what did you learn about the people that lived in Machu Picchu 600 years ago? Okay, after you've posted your response, you're then going to do the next thing, which is complete these two assignments on section 1.1, studying history. First, you're going to watch the 1.1 studying history video lecture on EdPuzzle. So you'll do that by clicking here. It will take you to EdPuzzle. Assuming you've connected with our Google Classroom, if you haven't done that yet, you can send me an email. But your page will look something like this. Today you're doing the 1.1 studying history video lecture. Okay, you'll click that. And the way this works is you'll watch through the video and it will pause throughout, and you have to answer the questions before it lets you continue on. Okay? To get full credit, you have to watch all of the video and answer all the questions. Do the best you can on the questions. All right, and then the last thing here it says is to complete the 1.1 studying history picture walk by clicking here. So for the picture walks, what you're doing is you need to look at the pictures, maps, captions, and other visuals that are not part of the main reading. So I've listed the page numbers to help you out. It says like here, find on page 6. So to get to the textbook, I've linked it here. You will need to use the e-textbook, which you can access here. If you click that, it's going to take you to the textbook that you need. So this is section 1.1, so you'll scroll down till you get to 1.1, studying history, and you're going to use the textbook to answer the question. So for example, history is, and then you're filling in the blank. This is found on page 6. So again, you're not going to find it in any of this. It's going to be on the extra stuff. So over here, in this case, it's page 6. So let's see, history is, you're going to look over here, and it says history is the study of the past. So let's see if that's an answer, and it is. So I'm going to select that answer there. Okay. And then continue on to the next question. Again, it lists the page numbers. So that hopefully helps you. I'll do one more here. So page 7, scroll down. Again, you're not going to find the answers in the text itself. You're going to find it in the pictures and the captions. It's a picture walk. So this says on page 7, the question is, by studying the remains of an ancient Egyptian blank, they can learn about the lives of the ancient Egyptians. So let's see if we can find that answer here. Historians and archaeologists study the people and places of the past. For example, by studying the remains of an ancient Egyptian temple, they can learn about the lives of the ancient Egyptians. So the answer was temple. And you'll continue through and answer the rest of the questions just like that. All right, and that is the final assignment for this day. Okay, thanks.